We're with John Mooken at APEC 2016. John of Wolfspeed, you just launched a new evaluation kit for your 900 volt products. Can you talk to us a little bit about the new product?
Yeah, sure. So we launched a new package, Dave, the D2 pack 7-lead package. It's designed for low inductance and for high frequency switching. So we wanted to make a evaluation board that would showcase all the capabilities of this new package. So what we've designed is a half-bridge board. So you have two of our 120 milliohm D2 pack MOSFETs on here, 900 volt. These are our latest Gen 3 devices. And this board has everything you would need to evaluate its switching characteristics and its static characteristics. So we got two isolated gate drivers. It has all the protections that you would normally expect to see, like DSAT fault, Miller clamp, and the new devices can also be driven with a unipolar gate drive, so plus 15 and 0, or a bipolar drive like plus 15 and minus 3. And we give you the option to drive it either way on this board by moving some jumpers. You can do it either way. Okay, and we also have a isolated heatsink. So with a surface mount package, everybody wants to know how do you cool it. So we've kind of optimized the layout for cooling and to reduce ringing. Okay, so here's an isolated heatsink with a little fan on it, and we have a special thermal interface material that isolates this metal heatsink from the drain tabs on the device. And we've actually used this in an application as a synchronous boost, switching all the way up to 1 megahertz. Okay, so it's a great platform for evaluating the new package of our device.
So obviously easy scalability and connect multiple boards together.
So what we want customers to do is to evaluate the product on this board, and then we offer the layout of the board and the schematic, everything to the customer so that they can transfer the features they want onto their own design and get the best maximum use of our MOSFETs.
Wolfspeed, a Cree company, obviously very much into research and development and new technologies. How important you view it is for your organization to ramp up the adoption of silicon carbide by releasing these types of evaluation products?
Yeah, so one of the biggest hurdles to using silicon carbide is people are not familiar with silicon carbide. They don't know how it differs from silicon devices, and what is the transition to using those. So that's why we make these tools so that customers can spend less time designing test jigs and things to evaluate the part, so that they can just buy this as is. It comes fully assembled, and they can just quickly evaluate, or even use multiple of these boards to prototype a power system for evaluation, so you can see how the whole system behaves with silicon carbide.
Thank you, John.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, appreciate it.